So guys, this is what I know about the footage. It was taken on Saturday, May 28th, 2022 during the Miami Air and Sea Show at Miami Beach. It was filmed by David Sugarman, who goes to the Air and Sea Show every year. While he was there, he was taking pictures and videos of these fast jets. Once he reached back home, he went through them and noticed this strange object. When we look at it, the object seems like flying straight up from the sea with an incredible speed towards the jet. I have slowed down the footage frame by frame so we can have a better look at the object. I personally am ruling out it being a bird or drone, because I have never seen something shoot off that fast on camera before. And guys, honestly, does this look like a bird to you? It looks like it has a metallic and shining effect when it approaches closer to the jet. But guys, what do you think of this one? What could this object be?